Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim, back again with another great, amazing Android apps of the week. And the Android apps of the week of today, they're so great and amazing. So I hope some of you guys are really ready to check them out. So for further talking or further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive in and check them out. So guys, our first Android app of the list goes to the Mega Race, which it's a really kind of great game, which I really enjoy playing it. Which on this kind of game, it's all about mega jumping. You just jump with your car and then having a lot of obstacle. So I may be selecting a level because this level is a little bit crazy. So I'm gonna select for you guys the simplest level, which is level 3 or level 2 or any level you like, but for you just start with level 1. Now just tap on your phone and you can see your phone, your car, not your phone but your car. Just do the thing, you just jump, that's it. After that, you just get all those kind of coins, or you get those kind of kilometers you'd like. So I'm gonna just click skip. You can see we have earned this kind of coins, so I'm gonna just select that. Now after that, you might be asking yourself, what's the core thing about this level if you want to bypass? Now this is kind of easiest thing. Just click on tab. Now don't hold too much, release things, because you have nitros. You have to hit that spot. You see that, this one we did it, which is perfect. Now that's the most core thing we're supposed to hit. Now that's the only thing about this game. You can see next level, it has been activated, so as you can go to another level. You can upgrade with your coins. What's the best thing which I like about it? It's just that you can upgrade with your coins anything you want, from 4,100 to this kind of boost of nitros and engine, and you can even select different vehicles. You can see you can have bunch of vehicles. You can see even that from that kind of old movie there. It's really from Back in the Future, I guess. This is Back in the Future. Another kind of stuff. There are a bunch of cars you can select, you can see, and there are a lot of cars being activated for you, so as you can enjoy an amazing smoothly of this game. So it's really awesome to check it out. Our second app of the list goes to Collative. So Collative, it's a wallpaper app which you can just customize a lot of things inside your wallpaper. I know some of you guys, you want to go like a pro on the wallpaper section, whereby you can just get creative to do your own thing. So you can just keep these slides, or you can just scroll and read everything which is supposed to be there. So you have a bunch of templates ready for you, as you can see guys, and you're having even double. Now on the double section, you can see there are a bunch of pre-made templates which are there for you, just like that. You can see that kind of artwork has changed because you can customize on that. So let's go back to our template. So I'm gonna use Wolf. After that, it's gonna load that template, so you can customize inside that kind of template whatever you wanted through it, so as it can give you best enhancement. You can see the bunch of colors here. I can select perhaps this one, then the downwards I can select this one. You can see that it starts to pop out. I can select this one too, and another color I can go all the way from this one to this orangish, and last but not least the creamy a bit, and another kind of color I would like this one. So you can see you can select different colors you want. You can even change the colors you want. You can see if it works best when it's on the dark mode, which shows you there. So you can go all the way to this side. You can select any color you want, this one, this one, this one. So on this one, I guess we should supposed to select the dark mode. So I'm gonna be selecting the color picker and bring it to the dark mode. Select it, you have it there nice and clean. Your wallpaper is ready. Click on this checkbox, then you can set it as home or anywhere you like. So just like that, I've allowed it. So I'll go back to home, and voila, there we're having it. That's our perfect wallpaper. So you can check out this Collative wallpaper. It's really kind of great enhancement to just use it, because you're gonna get a lot of creative through using it to give you bunch of more wallpapers from your phone. But they're even paid wallpapers, which it's premium when you see this. So if you want to just do that, you see there's a subscribe, you have just to pay on that, so as it can work. Our third app of the list goes to Liquid, which the thing about this app is all about animating for your charging. So like, I'll give you an example. I'll allow this app, then after that go back. You can see new phone selected, it's OnePlus close that. So show notifications, yes sir, show notifications, and you can allow the notification to be shown on your phone, so as you can just have that kind of notification to see what's happening. So it detected that this phone is OnePlus 8. I don't know why it did that, but anyways, let's jump into what's offering on us. So if it was charging its own, then what will happen? I'll just have my cable here of charging, then I'm gonna flip my phone, or I'm gonna just keep it this way so as some of you guys can see that. So you can see that animation popping out there, nice and clean, man, showing you that it's 29% of battery, to just have that kind of smoothness of how much your phone is getting charged throughout animation, and enjoying that kind of great and amazing charging scheme. So I find it's really kind of worth it to check it out, because it gives you a new feature of your phone here and there, which is perfect. Another app of the list which is so interesting, I like it, it's all about the Google Recorder. As you all know me guys, I usually love using the Dolby on my past Android apps. I've talked about Dolby so many times, but this one looks a little bit different because it uses the transcript. So you can hit record there, so I can go to transcript just like that. As you can see me guys, I'm actually recording using the Google Recorder. So everything I talk, it's just there, translated on the app directly. So if I talk a little bit more faster, like I've never talked before, you'll see everything, it's just been typed there, which is quite impressive. I like it about it. But the downside, it's all about the audio. You won't get it differentiating with the Dolby on. So the Dolby on offers you more enhancement when it comes to audio, but for the Google, I guess it's all about the transcript side, which I find it's really impressive when you're having some interview with people and you just like to have that kind of things on the go with your scripting there, or you want just to discuss about your own thing when it comes to scripting, so as it can help you out throughout that kind of Google Recorder. So this app, you just find it on the Google Pixel, sorry guys, but I guess you can get the APK out of Google Play Store and try it out installing on your phone, so as it can work it out. Another app of the list, which it goes to the fifth app, it's all about the Photoshop Express. Now let's be honest, Photoshop Express, it's a really kind of great app which I've been using compared to other apps. Like I've been using the other apps like Snapseed in a while, right? Now the Photoshop Express offers you bunch of LUTs, I can call them, or color grading or filter. You can select any filter you like through using this kind of amazing app on the go. As you can see guys, you can just customize. You can see this kind of dappled, it's really looking amazing. You can control adjustment as much as you want the double to be. You can go all the way to this kind of crop. You can select any size you want for your Instagram account, you can select, or you want just for the Facebook profile, you can see you can adjust it and you can just go next. Or if you want to keep things old school, just to do some clarity, some sharpen by your own self, you can do it here directly using the Photoshop Express. So I find it's really kind of impressive using this kind of Photoshop Express. You can even throw it with some text. You can see you can customize like templates, you can have differentiation of templates just like that. It's really kind of worth it. You can see guys how much it looks like. You can play around with it. You can set an alignment of your text, how much you want it to be, just like that. So you can just get more creative using the Photoshop Express, and it's really kind of worth it to have. You can even add some blemish. You can see you can just do things here and there. You can wrap it around, and man, it's really kind of impressive app on the go. So I hope some of you guys gonna check it out and give it a try. You can see some light leaks, which is so impressive, and it's really kind of worth it to check it out. Our last but not least app of the list goes to the GroovePad. The thing about this GroovePad is all about you can make or create your own music on the go, man. Like I created this sample. You can see how much it is. So let me just pause that, but let us just create it by our own, right? From this start or from the scratch, they're calling it. So you can see there are a lot of premium ones. So I'll go to more. Then no, I don't need to create that. I just need to pop up this one and cancel first. So you can see this is your dashboard. You can just get creative you can just do that. You can add some strings, some vox, you can see some sync, some beat, some keys. You can play with this one. You can add some flanger, but flanger you have just to get it paid so as you can access other features out of it. But still, it does not limit you. You can still be creative and create something which is so awesome. So I thought that I could share with you guys because it's a really kind of worth it app to check it out. Impressive. Yo, I hope you enjoyed on that, which is something which is so great. The Android apps of the week, they're so amazing. I hope you saw that, how much Google did it on the Google Recorder, and I give you guys like a task so as you can just go and check it out or have this app on your own kind of phone, Android phone. So this app works best with the pixels, but nonetheless, since you're having an Android phone, that means it might be working perfectly. But the only thing, you won't be getting this kind of APK from yours, but I leave it down, link it down below so as you can download that kind of APK and install it for your phone. After that, you can just enjoy the life, which is so amazing, I guess. So last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos, you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It will be so much amazing because we grow this channel together since day one. It's really kind of great and amazing for you guys. I'm really pumped on this one. Let's be honest, it's a really kind of amazing thing. So if I was supposed to just say how much you guys have been through this kind of long journey, it's really kind of bigger than what you guys think. So thank you guys for the people who have subscribed, and for the new people, just consider subscribing. It's your homeboy here. It will be really kind of worth it. Last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace. Yeah.